Imagine a humble monk tending his garden in 19th century Austria. The air is crisp, the surroundings serene, and the garden is meticulously cared for. This wasn't just any gardener, this was Gregor Mendel, a man who would unlock one of the greatest mysteries of life: inheritance. Mendel's curiosity and dedication would lead him to groundbreaking discoveries that would change the course of science forever. Mendel wasn't satisfied with simply observing the variety in his pea plants. He wanted to understand why traits like color and shape were passed down from one generation to the next. His inquisitive nature drove him to delve deeper into the mechanisms of heredity. This simple question, asked in a quiet monastery garden, would spark a scientific revolution. The tranquil setting of the monastery provided the perfect backdrop for Mendel's meticulous experiments and observations. Mendel's experiments were beautifully simple, yet elegantly designed. He created a controlled environment where he could manipulate and observe the outcomes of his crossbreeding experiments with precision. He meticulously crossbred pea plants with distinct traits, carefully tracking how those traits appeared in their offspring. Each cross-pollination was a step closer to uncovering the hidden laws of inheritance. He focused on 7 specific characteristics: seed shape, seed color, flower color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, and stem height. These traits provided a clear framework for his experiments and allowed him to identify patterns in the inheritance of traits. By carefully controlling the pollination process and meticulously recording his observations, Mendel began to see patterns emerge. His detailed notes and methodical approach were crucial in revealing the underlying principles of heredity. These patterns, hidden in plain sight for centuries, revealed the fundamental principles of inheritance. Mendel's work demonstrated that traits are passed down through discrete units, now known as genes. Mendel's pea plants held the key to understanding how traits are passed down through generations, shaping the very fabric of life. His discoveries laid the groundwork for modern genetics, influencing countless scientific advancements. What began as a simple curiosity about the natural world would lay the foundation for the entire field of genetics. Mendel's legacy lives on, reminding us of the power of curiosity and the profound impact of asking the right questions. Mendel's meticulous observations culminated in a simple yet profound tool, the Punnett square, a visual representation of his groundbreaking discoveries in genetics. This table, now a staple in biology classrooms worldwide, illustrates the principles of Mendelian inheritance. It simplifies the complex process of genetic inheritance into a format that is easy to understand and apply. It shows how genes, passed down from parents to offspring, determine the likelihood of inheriting specific traits. By using the Punnett square, one can predict the probability of an offspring inheriting a particular trait, such as flower color or seed shape. Mendel's work unveiled 2 fundamental laws of inheritance. These laws form the cornerstone of classical genetics and have paved the way for modern genetic research. The law of segregation states that each parent carries 2 copies of each gene, and these copies separate during the formation of sperm and egg cells. This ensures that offspring receive 1 gene from each parent, maintaining genetic diversity. This means that each parent contributes only 1 copy of each gene to their offspring. This fundamental principle explains why siblings can have different combinations of traits. The law of independent assortment states that the inheritance of 1 gene does not influence the inheritance of another. This principle is crucial for understanding how traits are passed on independently. This means that traits are inherited independently of each other, leading to the incredible diversity we see in all living organisms. The variety of traits in plants, animals, and humans can be traced back to these fundamental laws. These laws, derived from the humble pea plant, revolutionized our understanding of heredity. Mendel's insights laid the groundwork for the field of genetics, influencing everything from agriculture to medicine. Mendel's work, though groundbreaking, was only the beginning. The field of genetics has exploded in the century and a half since his discoveries. We now know that inheritance is far more complex than the simple pea plant traits Mendel studied. The advent of molecular biology and genomics has allowed scientists to delve deeper into the mechanisms of inheritance, revealing a world of complexity beyond Mendel's wildest dreams. We now understand that genes are made up of DNA, the blueprint of life, and that variations in this DNA sequence give rise to the incredible diversity we see in all living organisms. Despite these advances, Mendel's fundamental principles remain the bedrock of our understanding of inheritance. His work laid the groundwork for modern genetics, providing the framework for understanding how traits are passed down from one generation to the next. Section 4. From Peas to People: Real-World Applications of Mendelian Genetics. The impact of Mendel's work extends far beyond the realm of scientific curiosity. His discoveries have had a profound impact on medicine, agriculture, and even forensics. In medicine, understanding Mendelian inheritance allows us to predict and diagnose genetic disorders. Genetic testing, rooted in Mendel's principles, enables us to identify individuals at risk for certain diseases, allowing for early intervention and treatment. In agriculture, understanding inheritance has revolutionized crop and livestock breeding. By selectively breeding plants and animals with desirable traits, we can enhance yields, improve disease resistance, and create new varieties tailored to specific needs. Even in forensics, Mendelian genetics plays a crucial role. DNA profiling, based on the unique inheritance patterns of genetic markers, is used to solve crimes, identify missing persons, and even trace ancestry. Section 5. The Future of Inheritance: Modern Research and the Frontiers of Genetics. Today, the field of genetics is rapidly evolving, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of inheritance. Researchers are constantly uncovering new insights that challenge our previous knowledge and open up exciting possibilities for the future. Cutting-edge research is exploring the complexities of gene expression, epigenetics, and the role of the environment in shaping our traits. These studies are revealing how our genes interact with external factors, leading to a more comprehensive understanding of how traits are passed down through generations. Scientists are delving into the world of CRISPR technology, a revolutionary tool that allows us to edit genes with unprecedented precision. This technology is not only transforming the field of genetics, but also has far-reaching implications for medicine, agriculture, and beyond. This groundbreaking technology holds the potential to cure genetic diseases, enhance crop yields, and even reshape the future of our species. By editing specific genes, we can address hereditary conditions that were once thought to be incurable, leading to healthier lives for future generations. As we unlock the secrets of the human genome, we are gaining a deeper understanding of the intricate dance between our genes and the environment. This knowledge is crucial for developing personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our health, our food, and our future. By understanding the genetic basis of diseases and traits, we can make better choices that promote well-being and sustainability. The journey that began in Mendel's pea patch continues to unfold, revealing the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of life itself. As we venture further into the frontiers of genetics, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that lie ahead, waiting to be discovered. Section 6. Mendel's Enduring Impact: A Foundation for Modern Biology. Gregor Mendel's legacy extends far beyond his humble experiments with pea plants. His work, once overlooked and underappreciated, now stands as a cornerstone of modern biology. Mendel's meticulous observations and groundbreaking discoveries laid the foundation for the entire field of genetics, a field that continues to shape our understanding of life itself. His work reminds us that even the simplest of questions, asked with curiosity and pursued with rigor, can lead to profound discoveries that change the world. Mendel's story is a testament to the power of observation, the importance of questioning, and the enduring impact of scientific inquiry and exploration. Section 7. Unlocking the Secrets of Life. Your journey into the world of genetics begins now. The world of genetics is vast and ever-evolving, full of wonder, complexity, and endless possibilities. It's a field that touches every aspect of our lives, from the food we eat, to the medicines we take, to the very essence of who we are. This journey of discovery doesn't end here. Embrace your curiosity, delve into the fascinating world of genetics,